welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara and I'm a US-based Cameroonian YouTuber, and if you're an oldie, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate you guys so very much. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I DIY my own nails. Being quarantined, nail shops are all closed, so we have to do it ourselves. So I took upon myself, since I have the time in my hand, took it upon myself. I'm going to do my nails because they were looking a hot mess. You guys will see that in the videos. I still have some nail products to use for this DIY, so you guys will also see that in the video. So it's not that perfect, but at least it got my nails looking good somehow. So thank you again once more for watching. I do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is gonna be a speed DIY because I didn't want the video to be too long. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye.
Sometimes you wonder, how we survive, it no be easy, Them say we no go make am, Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, Everybody go talk at me, nobody go help me. Hear them, make you no mind them. Just do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Make una listen, whether good or bad, make we thank God, one day it go better, anything where you dey do, make you do one well, Everybody go talk at me, nobody go help me. Hear them, make you no mind them. Just do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Hear them, make you no mind them. Just do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.